Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a couple who continues to beat the odds despite the many challenges they faced.
A touch of Kingston, Jamaica in El Carmen, Panama City. It's a dream come true for a man of humble beginnings and his wife who consider themselves overcomers. Before today, the Mesquitas, Andre and Terrian, says life has thrown many curveballs at them every time things start looking up.
In 2020, the house that we were living in was sold with us in it. And at that time, we were in the midst of Corona, having a little baby about 8 months old.
What's even worse, they operated a small business from home, which further threatened their livelihood. They had to seek refuge at a friend.
We were so devastated.
All that while trying to start a business in another country. An idea that popped up after a visit to Panama.
We could not find anything palatable to eat that will excite our taste bud, and we are saying that no, a Jamaican restaurant that have that flavor and that taste would be good in Panama.
However, roadblocks to fruition came in droves.
To open a bank account in this country, you have to have over 5,000, depends, 50,000 in a bank account. And you're like, no, this is not reachable.
Mr. Mesquita says remembering how he managed to bring himself out of a dark place, as well as the values he learned while growing up, forced him to press on.
I saw my mother went out to clean and wash and work in bars. And from a tender age, I decided in my mind that I want to make my mother proud.
Mrs. Mesquita says they got excited when things were finally coming together. For her, the opening on May 12 was a birthday and Mother's Day gift.
When we look at the people and when they're eating the food and we can see the expression on the face and they're like, and of course, we try to teach them a little patois because the name of the restaurant is Yaman.
The couple hopes their journey will not only showcase the good side of Jamaica to the world, but will also inspire other Jamaicans to step outside the box and keep trying despite failures.
You don't have to involve in anything illegal to become successful. We are a living testimony. I've been through a lot, but God.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.